This is a fantastic day. Come on in, gentlemen. Our stars of the show this morning. So my name is Forbes. I'm the Deputy Director for the Department of Public Works and Environmental Services with the Solid Waste Management Program. So we are the ones that sponsor and set out these cans in our community for glass recycling. And we've been building out our map and our network of purple cans over the years, and really had this vacancy in this area, in this part of our community. And so it really took the ingenuity and the minds of two brilliant young gentlemen and another person named Carmela.
Yes.
So DK and Shaan, both, all three teamed up as part of Future Business Leaders of America.
Yes.
To submit this as a proposal. And we're here today with all their fine work and effort. So I just want to start off with a round of applause.
Keep it simple. Thank you guys. I mean, this will be the third one in the Springfield district. The one in my office, you hear clink, clink, clink all day and all night. So hopefully this one spins up, and we got one at the parking right over at Newington. But this area certainly had a hole.
I personally live in Clifton around here, and I was looking at the map of places to recycle glass, and I saw that it's pretty far from where I live, and I really wanted to change that in my community because I thought it's really important that we recycle glass.
We brought it up to the FBOA chapter, which is Future Business Leaders of America, and Shaan, I, plus another member decided to work together onto this project, and we submitted it for the regionals, and we got first place.
I went on the website and I called the first number I saw, and Susan explained to me the true importance about glass recycling that I had no idea the importance of why we glass recycle and how it impacts the environment.
I received a phone call from Shaan as a student. They were working on a FBLA project and they were interested in glass recycling. And in their research, they found the Purple Can Club and noticed that there was a void in the Clifton area, so then they contacted me, which started the conversations.